Hey everyone, welcome back to Wixfix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be covering how you can do that number count up effect from one of our previous videos. However, some of you have been commenting that you want to put it lower on the page somewhere down below. And unfortunately, by the time the users are even scrolling down to that section on your page, the animation is already finished. So I want to show you a quick little tip or trick for how you can actually fix that. And if you did miss that video and you want to see an effect where your number counts up, I will leave that linked in the description. But if these numbers aren't towards the top, then come back to this video to learn how you can actually apply the effect when the effect is lower on the page. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is, since it's lower on the page, we want to activate the animation when this section is in view. So what we're going to do is click on this strip right here. We're going to come down to these event handlers and we're going to say on viewport enter, and we're going to press add event. Now it's going to add a little bit of code here down below. And what we're going to want to do is go ahead and just grab this text inside of the onReady function. We're going to cut it and we're just going to simply paste it right here inside of this viewport enter function. So just to check that it's still working, I'm just going to go ahead and press preview on the section, and we're going to see it's counting up just fine, which is exactly what we want. However, what we want to do now is come up to the top of the page. Let's press preview and let's just wait a second, because we want to make sure that it's not counting or finishing by the time we scroll down. We want to make sure it's starting when we scroll down. So now that we've waited a few seconds, let's go ahead and scroll down. And you're going to notice now it has started the animation. But that's basically going to wrap it up for this quick little tip. I hope it helped some of you that were interested in doing this. And if you did like this video, please go ahead and give this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix and Velo content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.